Hey everyone, I'm Rebecca, aka the Mobility Mom, and this is my channel that you have come across. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit subscribe and hit the notification, and it'll notify you whenever I put up a new video. Today I'm inviting you into my home for a virtual party and an unboxing. Kind of going to be a joint adventure today. I got this wonderful huge box of products or candy from Tryazon, and I wanted to share the candy with you and have kind of like a virtual party. So grab your drink, grab some friends, and come join us for some fun. All right, so what I got from Tryazon, who is hosting this party with me today, is a box full of, and I know I'm going to say this wrong at some point through this video because it's a tongue twister, but it's Wiley Wallaby candy, and it is a licorice candy. And I'm going to cheat because I'm going to read from my little host guide here just so that I don't get any information wrong. It says Wiley Wallaby is a third-generation family-owned company where great tasting candy that you feel better about eating is the mission. 11 years ago, tired of eating licorice that was flavorless, impossible to chew, they sought to do better. From there, Wiley Wallaby was born, a licorice that's soft, chewy, and bursting with flavor. Wiley is packed so full of flavor they have less, let me get this straight. They have less room left over for all those things you'd rather not have. They feature less sugar and absolutely no dairy or fat, and they have kicked high fructose corn syrup to the curb. And it's an all fruit flavors. Wiley Wallaby products are also vegan, kosher, and made with sustainable palm oil. So basically, it's a candy that you can enjoy, and it tastes guilty, but it's actually good candy. So, which is really great if you have children, because it's better for them. You can feel better giving them candy. So let's jump in and see what I have in my box and see what we can come up with here, so you have an idea of what they have for flavors and what products they have. Okay, so let's start off with this. This one is one of my favorites. It is a 45-piece bag of candy. They are individually wrapped, as you can see. And in here you get classic red, green apple, and blueberry pomegranate pieces. And I like this because these are really great if you're having like a summer party or with school going back in the fall. They make great gifts to the teacher to use for like rewards and stuff because they're individually wrapped. So I kind of like this one because it just makes a lot of sense. But they do have other products. So if you're not wanting to share your candy and you kind of want to slip it in your desk and keep it to yourself, they actually have other packs like these. They are resealable. They have a resealable here. You just tear them up and they're resealable. And these are not individually wrapped. You just eat them out of the box. And so this flavor is Huckleberry. Let's see, we have Huckleberry, we have soft and chewy watermelon, we have, Sourrageous drops. This is sour licorice with candy shells. Kind of reminds me of those lemon drops I used to eat as a kid that were like kind of soury and had that hard candy shell, and then when you bit into them they were soft. But these were like a little sour drops. So if you kind of like something a little sour, you got those. Let's see, what else do we have in here? We got the blueberry pomegranate. We got organic strawberry bites. And let's see. We've got Blasted Berry. And green apple. Okay, I can tell you right now these are going to be my favorites because I love green apple. And then we've got classic red, which is always a big hit. And then we have another organic, and this one is Tropical Bites. So they're all the flavors sound amazing, but I'm going to give green apple a try right now for you guys and give you my honest opinion. Let me get into this one. Oh my gosh, it actually smells like green apple. Oh my word. And you get quite a bit in there. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but you get quite a bit. So, I mean, it's filled right up to here. And I hope I'm talking loud enough. I'm trying not to talk too loud. There are other people in the house still sleeping. So, but anyways. Ooh, they're big chunks. They're big chunks. Ooh, they look good. All right, I'm gonna give this a taste test. Consistency of a licorice. Not quite as hard, but still the consistency. They are softer than your normal licorice, which is good. It does actually taste like a green apple. It does taste green apple-y. It's not that sweet, sugary flavor you normally get with licorice. It actually has a green apple flavor. It's not overpowering, but you also don't get that real sugary, hard licorice. It's actually quite good. It's very good. So, green apple, thumb up. Very good. Very, very good. It definitely has a green apple flavor. Very good. Those may not make it out to the rest of the family. But yeah, they're really good. Like I said, soft, easy to bite into, not really sugary, no aftertaste. That one really did have a nice green apple flavor. So, yeah, I think I found me a new licorice candy because I love licorice and stuff. But again, this party was hosted and this unboxing was hosted by Tryazon. The company is Wiley Wallaby. I will leave a link under this video so that you can go check them out. And I can't say 100% sure, but I'm almost positive that I have seen. Oh, sorry about that. My cat just decided to knock my video over. Tabby, go on. I'm almost 100% sure I've actually seen these in the grocery store. So check your local grocery stores, or check on Amazon. They're easily enough found, but I will leave a link at the bottom to their actual website, and you can purchase yourself some. I will probably also throughout the week host a couple little giveaways, maybe on Instagram or Facebook, where you can go in and I will give some of this away, because this is a pretty huge box of candy and we won't eat them all, and there's a lot of them in here that have like 2 bags of different flavors. So I think I might actually run a giveaway. I'm pretty sure I will, and I might give away 2 gift bags with some candy in it. So if you're, like I said, hit subscribe here and notification. But if you haven't, I'll leave my social links down below too. Go follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and I might host a couple giveaways on different platforms. I might do like one on Instagram, one on Facebook, and maybe one on Twitter. That way, if you are more comfortable on one platform instead of the other, you might actually get a chance to win a gift bag. So that's it for today. That was our unboxing slash virtual party. Again, the company that hosted this is Tryazon. And the product that they sent me and the taste testing that we did today was Wiley Wallaby candy. And you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you again soon when I have something yummy to share. Have a blessed one.